Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk More English podcast.
Hi, friends. I'm Jake, and this is my friend Sarah.
We are so happy you're listening to us today.
Today, we have a very useful and important topic for you.
Yes, today we learn how to talk about your job in English.
Your job is a big part of your life every single day.
And people always ask about your job when they meet you.
So, you need to know the right words and phrases for that.
We will practice together with simple words and short sentences.
Are you ready to talk about work? Let us get started now.
The most common question about work is, what do you do?
What do you do? This means, what is your job right now?
You can answer, I am a teacher. I teach English at a school every day.
Or you can say, I am a doctor. I work at a hospital.
Or, I am an engineer. I design bridges for a big company.
Or, I'm a student. I study business at the university.
Notice we say, I am a teacher. I am a doctor. I am an engineer.
We use I am plus the job name. It is very simple.
Let us practice this now. Please repeat after me out loud.
I am a teacher. I teach English at a school every day.
I am an engineer. I design bridges for a big company.
Great job. Now you can answer, what do you do, very easily.
Another common question is, where do you work every day?
You can say, I work at a hospital in the city center every day.
Or, I work at a school near my house. It is very close.
Or, I work in an office downtown. It is on the 10th floor.
Or, I work from home. I do my job on my computer at home.
Working from home is very common now. Many people do it.
You can also say, I work for a big international technology company.
Notice we say, I work at a place, I work for a company.
At is for the building or location where you go to work.
For is for the company name or the organization you belong to.
Let us practice. Please repeat after me now, out loud.
I work at a hospital in the city center every day.
I work from home. I do my job on my computer.
I work for a big international technology company right now.
Excellent! Now you can tell people exactly where you work.
Now let us learn to describe what you actually do at your job.
People might ask, what do you do at work every day?
You can say, I teach children math and science at my school.
Or, I write reports and send emails to my clients every day.
Or, I help customers find what they need in the shop.
Or, I design websites and apps for different companies around the world.
Or, I take care of patients and give them their medicine.
Patients are people who are sick and need a doctor to help them.
Or, I manage a team of 10 people in the marketing department.
Manage means you are the leader. You help the team do their work.
Let us practice what you do at work. Repeat after me, please.
I write reports and send emails to my clients every day.
I help customers find what they need in the shop.
I manage a team of 10 people in the marketing department.
Wonderful! You can describe your daily work tasks perfectly now.
Let us now talk about your work schedule in English.
A schedule is the times and days when you work each week.
You can say, I work from 9 in the morning until 5 every day.
Or, I work 8 hours a day, 5 days a week.
Or, I work part-time. I only work 4 hours a day.
Part-time means you work fewer hours than a full regular schedule.
Full-time means you work the normal number of hours every week.
Or, I work shifts, sometimes mornings and sometimes nights.
Shifts mean your work times change. You do not have the same hours.
You can also say, I have weekends off. I do not work on Saturday.
Or, I have flexible hours. I can choose when I start my work.
Flexible means you can change your schedule when you need to.
Let us practice. Please repeat after me now, out loud.
I work from 9 in the morning until 5 every day.
I work part-time. I only work 4 hours a day.
I have flexible hours. I can choose when I start my work.
Great! Now you can describe your work schedule in English.
People also ask, do you like your job? Is it a good job?
If you like it, you can say, yes, I love my job very much.
Or, I like my job because my colleagues are very nice and friendly.
Colleagues are the people you work with at your company every day.
Or, I love my job because I help people every single day.
If you do not like it, you can say, it is okay but boring.
Or, I do not love it, but the salary is good for now.
Salary means the money your company pays you every month for your work.
Or, I want to find a new job, something more exciting and creative.
Let us practice. Please repeat after me now, out loud.
I really enjoy my work. Every day is interesting for me.
I like my job because my colleagues are very nice and friendly.
I want to find a new job, something more exciting and creative.
Perfect. Now you can share your honest feelings about your job now.
Let us learn some very important job vocabulary words together now.
Boss. Your boss is the person who is in charge of you at work.
Colleague. A colleague is a person you work with at your company every day.
Meeting. A meeting is when people sit together and discuss work topics.
Deadline. A deadline is the last day you must finish a task by.
Salary. The money you receive every month for doing your job.
Promotion. When you get a higher position and more money at your job.
Resign. To resign means you decide to leave your job on your own.
Retire. To retire means you stop working because of your age.
Apply. To apply means to send your information to get a new job.
Interview. A meeting where the company asks you questions about yourself.
These words will help you talk about work life in English easily.
Let us practice some of them. Please repeat after me now out loud. I have a meeting with my boss every Monday morning at 9.
I need to finish this project before the deadline on Friday.
I want to apply for a new job at a bigger company soon.
Now you have a great work vocabulary to use in conversations.
Let us hear a full sample conversation now. Please listen carefully.
We are two friends meeting at a cafe and talking about our jobs.
Hey, Sarah. I have not seen you in a long time. How are you?
Hi, Jake. I am great, thank you. I started a new job last month.
Oh, wow. Congratulations. That is amazing news. What do you do now?
I am a graphic designer now. I design logos and posters for companies.
That sounds really creative and fun. Where do you work at?
I work for a small design company in the city center near the park.
Nice. Do you work from the office or from home every day?
I go to the office 3 days a week and work from home 2 days.
That is a great schedule. Do you like your new job so far?
I love it. My colleagues are friendly and the work is very interesting.
I'm so happy for you, Sarah. What about the salary? Is it good?
It is better than my old job, and I might get a promotion next year.
That is fantastic. I hope everything goes well for you at work.
Thank you, Jake. What about you? Are you still working at the bank?
Actually, no. I resigned last month and started my own small business.
Wow, that is so brave and exciting. What kind of business is it?
I opened a small online shop. I sell handmade products from local artists.
That is wonderful, Jake. I am so proud of you for doing that.
That was a great conversation about jobs. Natural and interesting, right?
Now, pause the video and practice talking about your own job out loud.
Let us also learn how to talk about a job you want someday.
You can say, I want to be a doctor in the future one day.
Or, I would like to work in the fashion industry after I graduate.
Or, my dream job is to be a photographer and travel the world.
A dream job is the perfect job you wish you could have in life.
Or, I am studying to become a software engineer at the university now.
Or, I hope to start my own business in the next few years.
Let us practice talking about future jobs. Repeat after me, please.
My dream job is to be a photographer and travel the whole world.
I hope to start my own business in the next few years.
I'm studying to become a software engineer at the university now.
Great! Now you can talk about your future career dreams in English.
Now, here is your practice challenge for today. Are you ready for it?
Imagine someone at a party asks you, "What do you do for a living?"
First, tell them your job. Say, I am a, and I work at.
Then describe what you do every day at your job in simple words.
Then, tell them your schedule. Say, I work from to every day.
Then say if you like your job or not and explain why.
Can you do all of that? Try it right now out loud at home.
Pause the video and practice. Every time you speak, you get better.
Before we finish, let us talk about work-life balance quickly today.
Work-life balance means having enough time for work and for yourself.
You can say, I try to leave work at the office every day.
Or, after work, I spend time with my family and I relax at home.
Or, I never check work emails on the weekends. That's my rule.
It is important to rest and enjoy your life outside of work, too.
You can also say, I take a break during lunch to go for a walk.
Or, I use my free time to exercise and stay healthy every week.
Let us practice work-life balance phrases. Repeat after me now, please.
I try to leave work at the office every single day.
After work, I spend quality time with my family at home.
I never check work emails on the weekends. That's my rule.
I take a break during lunch to go for a short walk outside.
These are great habits. Balance is the key to a happy life.
You can also ask your friends, how do you relax after a long workday?
That is a wonderful conversation starter about work and life balance.
Now, let us move on to our final review of today's full episode.
Yes, let us remember everything we learned about jobs in English today.
Okay, everyone, it is time for our final review of today's episode.
Today, we learned how to talk about our job in English perfectly.
We learned how to answer the question, what do you do for a living?
We learned how to describe where we work and what we do every day.
We learned how to talk about our work schedule and our hours.
We learned how to say if we like our job or not and explain why.
We learned many important job vocabulary words for work conversations.
We practiced a full, natural conversation about jobs between two friends.
And we learned how to talk about our dream job for the future.
You did an amazing job today. We are truly so proud of you.
Please like this video and subscribe to the Talk More English channel.
Leave a comment and tell us what your job is in English today.
We love reading your comments. They make our day really special every time.
Thank you for watching and learning with us today. You are amazing.
Keep practicing, keep working hard. Your English is getting better every day.
See you in the next episode of Talk More English. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Have a great day at work and keep speaking English always.